Guys, let us find the determinant of a matrix. First, let us find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. We had a direct formula to perform a determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is AD minus BC. First element is A, second element is B, third element is C, fourth element is D. A 2 D minus pi minus B 1 into C 1, that is 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 1, that is equal to minus 11. The determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix is minus 11. Now let us learn how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. First assign this symbols plus minus plus. Now take the first row first column element, first row first column element, that is 1 1 into close this row and this column in this matrix and perform determinant on these four elements. That means minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus 7 into 4, again minus 4. Now close corresponding to 4 and row corresponding to 4 and perform determinant on these two and these two elements. That means 2 into 6, that is 12, minus 4 into minus 3 plus 2, remaining element is 2, and perform close this correspondent row and column and perform determinant on these four elements. That is 7 into 2, 14, minus 1 into minus 3. Now let us solve this. 1 into minus 6 minus 7 4s are 28, minus 4 into 12 minus 4 3s are 12, minus into minus plus 12, plus 2 into 14 minus 1 into 3, 3, minus into minus plus 14 minus 3, 1 into minus 6 minus 28, that is minus 34, minus 4 into 24, 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 2 into 14 minus 3, that is 11, minus 34 minus 4 4 is 16, 1 4 2 is 8, 9, 96 plus 11 2 is 22. After solving this we get minus 108. Now let us solve another problem on determinants. Matrix A is given as 1 0 0 2 3 4 5 minus 6 and x. Determinant of A is given as 45 and told to find the value of x. Okay, now let us find the value of x. We have the matrix and plus minus plus. First we have to take 1 and close the corresponding column and corresponding row and perform determinant on other four elements. That is 3 into x, 3x, minus 6 into 4, minus 0 into anything 0, plus 0 into anything 0, that is equal to 1 into anything 3x, minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24, and he had given the determinant is equal to 45. So equal to 45. 3x is equal to 45 minus 24. 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 by 3, that is equal to 7. We had got the value of x. This is how determinants is performed on the matrices.